Hi everybody, welcome back to Sweet Rice Cafe. Today we are going to show you how to make noodles and eggs.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Sweet Rice Cafe. Today we're going to show you how to make mama noodles with 2 eggs. So first thing we need to do is fill the pan with 0.5 liters. The pot is boiling. We're going to open up the package. Inside the package are the seasonings for the noodle. The pot has come to a boil and we are going to put the noodles in the pot. You can break it up if you want. We're just going to put the whole thing in here. While the noodle is boiling inside the pot, we can break the seasoning and put it in the bowl. Break the other 2 in the bowl. And depending on if you want it hot or not, we like it hot, so we're going to put the chili in the bowl as well. So we poured all the seasonings inside the bowl that we're going to put the noodles into. You can see the noodles are steaming right now. Kira, can I have the chopsticks please?
Yes.
Thank you. I'm going to use the chopsticks to stir my noodles. You can use a spoon, fork, doesn't matter. We're just using chopsticks to stir the noodles to break it up. After we break up the noodles, we're going to crack the egg and we're going to put the one my little girl broke while she was holding into the egg.
Hey.
Into the pot. Kira, can I have the other egg that you did not break? Thank you.
I don't want to break it anymore.
Why not?
Because I keep breaking them.
So I'm going to put the second egg inside the pot. I'm going to take my chopsticks and I'm going to break the eggs up, stir them into the noodles. At this point you can add cilantro, green onions. We forgot the cilantros and green onion.
I don't want to add those.
You don't want to add them?
No.
How about you now? You don't want to add them?
No. No.
You don't have to add the vegetables. You can add them now if you want, or you can add them after you pour the noodles into the bowl. Usually I add the green onions and cilantro to make it taste a little better. The eggs and the noodles have come together. We are finished cooking it. I'm going to turn off the stove. Then I'm going to pour my noodles and eggs into the bowl carefully. You don't want it splashing onto you. In this case, my little helpers. Does that look good? Look at the eggs.
It looks good, but the liquid in there looks spicier.
It looks spicy?
Because it is.
Because it is spicy?
I don't like spicy.
You don't like spicy?
But you eat hot sauce. You use hot sauce.
Yes, but there's not hot sauce in there. The only spicy thing I like is hot sauce now.
Isn't that spicy?
But that's
No.
not hot sauce.
More sour
Okay,
and
so
spicy.
I'm just going to stir it up so that it blends with the seasoning that was inside the bowl. I'm using my chopsticks again. You can see the noodles and you can see the eggs. Next one we're going to show you how to make noodles and shrimp, then noodles and meat, noodles and chicken.
Noodles and meat's kind of like pho.
Kind of
Yeah,
like
make pho.
Okay. Okay, so after that we're going to cut up some lime. And then we're going to squeeze lime right into it. For those of you that wanted a little bit of lime mini taste, we do. I'm going to continue stirring. Like I mentioned before, here you can also add your green onions and your chopped up cilantro. Okay, like I mentioned, after the noodle has been cooked and poured into your bowl, you can now add some green onions. We decided to add the green onions into it after all. How many depends on how much you want. I just use one green onion. Like that. I'm using my food scissors. And some cilantro, onto the noodles and eggs. In my opinion, it smells better, looks better, and tastes better with vegetables. And we're just gonna stir this into it. Like that. After you add your green onions and your cilantro, you can add some soy sauce. A little bit of soy sauce. If you are one of those that like it hot, you can add some more hot sauce. I'm going to shake up my sriracha hot chili sauce, and I'm going to squeeze some in here. Just a little bit. Okay. Then I'm going to stir it up. That looks very good. Now your noodles and eggs are ready to eat. Enjoy! Thanks for watching Sweet Rice Cafe.
Bye everybody. Thank you for watching Sweet Rice Cafe. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Better break it.